Okay, question 7. A plane has 350 seats. There are 3 times as many seats on the train as on the plane. How many seats are on the train? And there's a second part to this question as well. How many seats are there in all? So we want to start by focusing on each sentence at a time. So we'll start with our first sentence. We'll read it. We'll reread it and then imagine what's going on in that sentence and draw it. So it says a plane has 350 seats. So the first thing I want to do is draw a plane, just a rough sketch, doesn't have to be anything good. And I'm going to label it as a plane. And I will note how many seats that it has. 350 seats. And so now I have a way of kind of visualizing in my head what's going on this first sentence. I'm going to do the same with the second. There are 3 times as many seats on the train as on the plane. So now I know that I have a new transportation that I need to draw, which is a train. So I will draw my train and I will label it, and then I will write down how many seats are in this train. I don't know exactly. It says there are 3 times as many seats on the train as on the plane, so 3 times the amount of seats that the plane has. So I know that I'm going to have to make 3 groups, and there should be 350 seats in each, because the train has 3 times the amount of seats that are on the plane. So now I have visualized the first and second sentences and made my drawings. Now next I'll look at my next sentence. It says how many seats are on the train? So this is my question. I'm going to underline it. How many seats are on the train? So I know that I'm looking for the total seats for this mode of transportation. So I'll be doing 350 3 times. This is repeated addition, and I know that instead of solving it this way, I could also use multiplication, which is repeated addition. And if I'd like, I can go back and do repeated addition to check 5, 10, 15, 3, 6, 9, and then I can see that I got the same answer. So that answers my question. How many seats are on the train? 1,050 seats are on the train. It's important that I label it seats on the train because I'm not talking about seats on the plane. Now we'll see that there's a second part to our question. How many seats are there in all? So that means on the plane and on the train. So I know that there's 1,050 seats on the train. I'm just going to write train on the side. And then I know I have to add the amount on the plane. So there's 350 on the plane. And then if I add the train and the plane, I'm going to get the total. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 3 plus 1 is 4, 1 plus nothing is 1. So I have 1,400 seats total. So that's the train plus plane seats equals 1,400.